Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I know I say this in every video, but I'm excited, okay? I'm excited today because you all, Kahlana Barfield Brown has dropped part 2 of her Future Collective collection, okay? Actually, sorry, I'm recording this, at the time that I'm recording this is Friday. It is 6 p.m. on Friday evening, Friday, October 14th, I believe it is, okay? Yesterday, Thursday, is when she dropped the first sneak peek that the second collection was coming. Then I was a little bit nosy. I was in the comments and people were like, oh, well, the stuff is already out in stores. So this morning I got up early in the morning, okay? I was at Target at 8 a.m. at the store that I knew had the last collection, okay? And I went to see for myself, and y'all, I don't know, I feel like I got like this, you know, just information that everybody don't know, because while everybody waiting until Sunday for the stuff to drop, I did all my shopping already. So I'm super excited to get into this haul, you guys. I'm hoping to put this up before the collection actually drops so that you all know about sizes, because don't get your usual size, okay? Just the sizing is a little bit crazy, so don't get your usual size, but I hope this video is helpful. So if you're new here, you guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Brittany, okay? This channel is focused on luxury, fashion, and entrepreneurship. So if you're interested in any of those things, feel free to give me a thumbs up on this video, hit that subscribe button, and leave me a comment down below. I would love to stay connected with you. All right, you all, so I am super excited. I was able to get my hands on a few pieces of the second drop of the Future Collective collection, and so I want to just give my initial thoughts, my initial reviews. Of course, I'm gonna pop up videos on the screen, and you know, I just want you guys to kind of see how I styled the pieces, see what I got. I did not go crazy this time. I did not go crazy. The last time I bought almost everything, okay? I dropped a pretty penny on the collection. This time around, I was a little more controlled, disciplined. Disciplined is the right word, because I do not need any more clothes. I'm done shopping. I'm done shopping. I was not supposed to buy anything. And then Hanifa dropping something on Monday. I just can't. I can't. The girls are doing too much. The girls are doing too much. So I'm super excited to talk about some of the pieces that I actually picked up and I liked and I have to try them for you guys. I'm also going to give you guys recommendation on sizing, and I'm going to tell you what I really wasn't feeling. So let's go ahead and get into the video. Okay, y'all. So when I went into the store, somewhere online, probably on Instagram, either Instagram or TikTok, I saw that some of the girls had this tuxedo style pant. It was a white pant with a black stripe, and I gagged, okay? I fell in love and I was like, oh my goodness. I never wear white pants. I own only one pair. I got my first pair of white jeans this summer. And this tuxedo pant is my second pair of white pants. I do not own white, right? So I was very surprised that I liked it. And to my knowledge, she has 2 white pants that are dropping. So there's a tuxedo style pant, and then which is like a wide leg pant, which is the one I got. And then she has these white joggers. So we'll talk about the joggers a little bit later. But I am obsessed with these pants. So I did size up. And I'm just gonna let y'all know right now, y'all need to size up on everything. To be completely honest with you guys, like, I don't know what's going on with the fit, but you need to size up 1 to 2 sizes on everything. So I am usually extra large, size 16. My height is, I'm 5'7", maybe 5'7.5", okay? So for these pants, I ended up getting a 1X, and the reason why I got a 1X is because that was the only, like, they didn't have any more extra larges in the store that I went to. So I was like, okay, I'll just size up and get a 1X. So I didn't size up intentionally, but I'm glad that I did because I love the fit. The pants are wide leg and they're long. They are tall girl friendly, you guys. Again, like I said, I am 5'7" and these pants drag the floor. They drag the floor, okay? So even with heels, it's a good length to wear with heels especially, but if you're not wearing heels, they're dragging. So if you are on the petite side and you're a little short, you probably got to get them altered and tailored, you know, just to meet your needs. But if you are a tall girl, these pants are tall girl friendly, okay? I just really love them. It's the material of it is a satin, and it just has this elegance type of feel to it. I paired it with the Future Collective white, it was like a white sweater crop top with black outline, and it pairs perfectly with these pants. It's the same color, the same type of cream or ivory or whatever the color is. And it looks so good together. And then I put on a white jacket that I got from Zara. The Future Collective does have a white kind of, I think they call it the cold shoulder, like with the cutouts. I opted not to get the jacket because I already had a white one and we're not doing duplicates. You know, I gotta be strategic with the money that I'm spending. So, but the all white look was a vibe, you guys. It was a vibe, okay? With the tweed black and white bag and my heels, like it was such a vibe. I am so in love with these pants. Like, they so good, so good. I also ended up pairing the pants with this black corset top. I am a size 16 and I got the bustier in a size 16 and I could not close it. Okay, when I tried to close it, the girls were hanging out. I was like, whoa, like why is the fit off like this? Like this is my normal size. Like I don't know why it's off like this. So I did end up sizing up in the bustier. So if you are, you know, blessed in this area, I definitely recommend sizing up and maybe just getting it altered and tailored in on the size. Like the good thing is I can sew, so it's nothing for me to just take it in on the size. When I sized up though, I had to go to a 16W, like 16-18, which was really big. Like I don't know why it's two size, I don't know, but it fit, but it was loose. It wasn't fitted the way that I wanted. So I can doctor on it, but I thought it was cute. I'm not really like a corset bustier type of girl. I just, it's not something that I would wear often, and it's not something that I would choose to wear. So I'm still pondering to see if I want to keep both of these items, because I'm like, it's cute. It is cute. I think maybe I just need to see other people style it so I know how to really wear it, because, you know, something, I don't know, it's a disconnect with me. I don't know how to style it. I don't know how to wear it. So I don't know if I'm gonna take it back or keep it, but it was cute. I did like the fact that it was a square neckline and it covered, like I felt covered. I didn't feel like I was hanging out. So, you know, the back was covered, the sides were covered. It was great. So the next piece that I got was this bright lime green. It almost reminded me of like the 80s. It had like this cow neck with, you know, kind of like semi like puff ruche sleeves, and it was really, really cute. Again, I really have black and white, so color is, you know, I'm very strategic about the color that I get. I don't know what it was, but I was attracted to that color. Now that particular top comes in 3 colorways. So there was like a champagne color, I think there's like a white sheer, and then there's the lime green. I just went out my comfort zone completely and went for the lime green, and I thought it looked cute. I ended up pairing the lime green with this skirt that I actually have on now. So it's a black and white skirt, and I just thought like, I look like one of the fashion girls, you know, going to like fashion week or whatever, like with my bright pink Amina Abdul heels. Like I really think it's a vibe. I'm deciding though. I'm like, really, like, how often would I wear this top? I don't know, but it was cute. I will say I sized up in the top, okay? When I got my actual size, and I can't remember if it ran in like extra large, like letters versus numbers, but when I got my actual size, which is, you know, an extra large, I felt as I was putting it on, I didn't even put it on the way because it was real tight. I think the shirt is made out of satin. One thing about the fabrics in this collection is that they're not forgiving at all. They're not forgiving. So when you purchase, you guys, like, you have to make sure that you're buying the right size, because I would hate for you guys to spend, you know, waste your money. But like, just size up and everything, honestly, like, really. So I think I ended up going to, no, I think the top that I got, the green top, is actually a 2X, you guys. I think it's actually 2X. And it's weird because I feel like it doesn't fit like a 2X. Like, it's almost like I needed to go up 2 sizes for it to feel comfortable. Because if you get your size, the sleeves are really short. It's just odd. The fit is odd. So I went up 2 sizes in the shirt, and I thought it was like pretty cute, you know, being kind of oversized or whatever. So I don't know, you guys, like, if you're looking to get that shirt specifically and you want it to fit a certain way, like, especially if you want it to fit kind of loose or whatever, I don't know, consider going up 1 or 2 sizes. That's all I got to say. Okay, so the next thing that I got was this shirt that I'm wearing. So I saw some of the girls try this on, and I was like, whew, that is short, okay? I don't know what it was. It's like the mini skirts were like super mini, and then the crop tops were like super cropped. I'm like, listen, I can't do all of that, okay? The girls, we need security in order to be able to fit. So I did size up in this. So this is like a 16W, it's like 16, 18. And when I saw it, because it was so short, I'm not really a fan of like a lot of midriff showing. So I had it in my mind. I picked it up because of the sleeves, but I had it in my mind that I was going to try it on at home, see if I could style it and take it back. You guys, when I got home and I was like, okay, what am I going to pair this with? The moment I put on this skirt, you guys, I was like, oh, there she go. That's it. That's it. So I am going to keep this just solely so I could pair it with the skirt, okay? Because this is a vibe. I think in order to wear this and make it look nice and sophisticated and sleek, you definitely need to wear something that's like super high waist. At least that's just for my comfort level, for my style. I think just having a lot of midriff show is low-key given like middle school. I don't know, but this is really cute. Like, this paired with the skirt, and I'm gonna pop up a video of me wearing it. It's so cute. I do love the sleeve, so I'm thinking I might keep her. I wasn't going to at first, but I'm like, oh, like, it's a vibe. I could see how I could wear it now. So yeah, so that's it. I really just had like 4 outfits. I think I ended up getting, so I got the skirt, I got the pants, I got the 2, so I got 4 tops. So I ended up getting 6 pieces. 2 of them I might take back. 2 to 3 actually I might take back. We'll see how I'm feeling. I'm gonna just let it. But the other thing is, I know the first time around there was a discrepancy between one place having the entire assortment, and so there was something online on the app specifically that I saw that was not in store that I really want. So I have my alarm set, you guys. The collection is set to drop Sunday, October 16th at, I believe it's 3 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, 2 a.m. Central Time, okay? I don't know why they do that in the morning, and I definitely don't know if I'm gonna be up. Like, I don't know if it's worth it for me to get up that early just to, well, I already bought everything. I bought what I wanted for the most part. So we'll see, you guys. We'll see what's going down. But I will say overall, based on, and I should have took footage of me trying stuff on inside the Target, make sure you size up 1 to 2 sizes. I will say with the white joggers, I did try on the white joggers. That is one of the pieces that Kahlana did showcase already. And it wasn't giving. It's like you really need to size up like 2 sizes in order to get the look that she has. If you get your size, it's not gonna fit right. It gives like snow pants on the moon. I don't know. It's the fabric and material is a little odd. But if you do size up, there are drawstrings, so you at least don't have to worry about, you know, it have to be taken in or whatever. Like the waist is drawstring, so that's good. But definitely make sure you size up in the pants. And honestly, all of the tops, like majority of the new tops, I want to say, you need to size up as well. I don't know, it's just like this is like a brocade type fabric, or what's it called, jacquard or brocade, I don't know, you guys. But this type of fabric, like the fabric is not forgiving. It's not forgiving. So you want to make sure it's better to have more room and then you can get it taken in than to buy something that you really wanted and it just doesn't fit right. You know what I mean? So definitely make sure you size up. But I'm super excited. I'm curious to see what else is going to drop. I know the last time they had another drop halfway through the week. I don't know if that was a mistake or not, but I'm curious to see if there's more coming or if this is it. Okay, I can't keep spending my money. So, but yeah, I hope this was helpful, you guys. Hopefully you all are able to get your hands on some of these pieces. Kahlana is really looking out for the girls, okay? She is really getting your wardrobe together, okay? I really love the vibes of this second drop. It's given elegance. It's given, you know, going out, holiday. Like, it's really cute. I'm glad she, you know, it seems like the first drop was casual. The second is a little bit more, you know, dress up, go out on a date, whatever the case is. I love it. I love it. I love the style. Like, Kahlana, you go, girl. Yeah, so let me know down below if anyone has already copped anything, okay? And by the time you see this, if you end up getting your hands on something, let me know what you like. But thank you guys for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.